Welcome to Luina Greine Farm. Hi, I'm Caroline. I work at Luina Greine Farm. You want a tour? This is the barn. This is where we keep the alpacas, donkeys, ducks, goats, and whatever else we get when there's a storm or when they need to be brought inside. So this is where we keep all the food. This is the alpaca feed, the goat feed, and the hay. Let's take the goats outside. Sometimes we take detours. This is the goat pen. Now, they love to jump off rocks and onto their house, so this is the perfect spot for them. So this is our shop, and here we sell mittens, gloves, boot inserts, socks, little baby toy alpacas that are really fun for little kids. And everything here keeps you really warm, and it's great for the winter time. So you should come and check out the shop. So here is where all the alpacas, ducks, and donkeys live. And in here, this is the boys and the donkeys side. So here's the boys' house. They have an awesome house. You know, they're hooked up. They have a fan, hay, feed. It's pretty cool. Here's all the boys. We have Finnegan. Here we have Finnegan. And Laddie, the black one, and Belvedere, the brown one. This is Fiona. She's our girl donkey, and she loves people. And this is Seamus. He's our boy donkey, and he actually pulls a cart, which is really cool. And then these are our two Indian runner ducks. The one I'm holding is Bo, and that's his best friend and brother, Ducky Momo. Okay, so over here's the girl side. We have girl alpacas and girl ducks. So on this side we have three girl ducks, Honey, Pickles, and Daisy. Here are our girl alpacas. There's Bella, Sophia, Katrina, and Rosie. And we also have two other girl alpacas inside, Polly and Fiona. Here's the girl house. They have a fan, hay, minerals, food station, and they usually just sleep everywhere. Just pretty comfortable in here. And out here is our big field, and we trade spots, so sometimes the girls will be out here, and sometimes the boys will be out here, and they just graze all day and run around and have fun. If you want to come and visit us, we're at 65 Common Street in Groton, Mass. Hope to see you soon.